Hello, Colorado. It's attorney Timothy Dudley here at Johnson Law Group. We want to give you some information about some financial considerations you need to keep in mind if you're preparing for a divorce. The first thing we tell all of our clients is don't be moving money around, making large purchases, or hiding any assets. However, there are some things you can talk to your attorney about to prepare financially for divorce. One thing is making sure you have access to your financial accounts with you and your spouse. And that even may involve moving a certain portion of money into your own account. A second thing that you can talk to your attorney about is possibly changing your direct deposit for your income. Instead of going into a joint account, going into an account just in your name. For each of these issues, however, you'll want to talk to an attorney about how to go about it in the right way. So that's before filing for divorce. What about after, during the case, after you've filed? One thing you can do is ask the court for what are called temporary orders, orders that are effective just during the pendency of the case. The court has the authority to order the parties to pay for certain bills, who's going to be paying the mortgage or the rent of your home. The court can also order one of the parents to pay child support if there are children involved. So the ultimate financial consideration in a divorce is what about after the divorce is all done? What you need to be thinking about are things like asset division, especially for bank accounts and retirement accounts. Another financial consideration you need to be thinking about is if you have children, child support, and division of child-related expenses. And another major financial consideration for after the divorce is spousal maintenance or alimony, which is where if the disparity in incomes between the parties is great enough, you may be eligible to have the other party be making monthly payments to you for years after the divorce, depending on the duration of the marriage. So if you have any concerns about your financial condition before, during, or after your divorce, contact us today at Johnson Law Group for a free consultation.
Divorce ends marriages, not families. Call us at 720-445-4444 or visit our website at johnsonlgroup.com.